My YouTube family, what is going on? Man, it's been a minute, it's been a second, it's been a little bit, but I'm back here with another one. Just a quick video, just something I've done that I want to show you on my bike. And I'll go ahead and just tell you what it is. It is the Rockford Fosgate Stage 3 front fairing speaker setup. Got it done, so let's get to it. And there it is, and there it is, and there it is, in all its glory. Let's go ahead and pull it out in the sunlight and see what we're working with. Look at that. Looks absolutely splendid and sounds even better. Stage 2 wasn't bad. Stage 2 is not bad at all. But stage 3, there's a noticeable difference, and I'm loving it. Still got some more work to do when it comes to the audio. So I still want to get the saddlebag speakers put in, but that will come eventually. It's not as simple as just buying the saddlebag speakers. You actually have to get the lids or do a cut-in, and then you have to get the little kits that go with each of the speakers. And then I want to go ahead and do the sub in one of the saddlebags as well. So that's additional amp. So still work to do in the back end, but let's just focus on this front end right here for today's video. So be back at you. Let's pull out in the sunlight and see what we have. And there it is in the sunlight. The Rockford Fosgate Stage 3 speakers, front fairing speakers installed. I think the question for some people will be, if you already had a Stage 2 front fairing speakers, is it worth upgrading to the Stage 3? For me personally, it was, because there's a difference in the sound quality, as well as I like the aesthetics of it as well, with the red rings and the red around on this part right here. Kind of matches the red and everything that I kind of got going on with the bike. So all of that red actually matches. So for me, it was worth it. I think it's worth upgrading from Stage 2 to Stage 3. But again, I have some additional reasons other than just the sound. So I'll try to bring another video with the sound quality because I'm actually recording on my phone, and I can't play on my phone and record at the same time. So, but yeah, looks good, man. Like I said, this is just a little quick little video. Just wanted to show you what I've done. And I got another video that I'm gonna share later, something I'm doing to the Riker. To the Can-Am Riker. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. It's your boy Doism Works, and I'm out. Peace. All right, YouTube, your boy Doism Works back at it again. I'm gonna bring to you a sound clip. I worked it out. I'm gonna bring to you a sound clip, and I'm gonna play some copyright-free music, whatever it is. Whatever it is. It's gonna be music that I can play on YouTube and not get violated. So let's get to it. Copy-free written. That's what it is. That's halfway. That's halfway. Let's go full blast again. And there you have it. That's the Stage 3 Rockford Fosgate front fairing speakers. I hope it was able to translate over the video, the sound quality, but there is a significant difference from Stage 2 to Stage 3. So if you're wondering and you're on the fence about it, and like I said, in my opinion, I think it's worth the upgrade. Even though I had a little added bonus in there with the aesthetic part of it with the red. So, but I think even without that, regardless, I think it's still worth to buy. My stage 2 speakers, which are in fairly really good shape, will be up for sale. So if you're interested, hit me in the comments below and let me know you're interested. I also have some other motorcycle parts that will be listed for sale as well. And so stay tuned. I'm gonna hit Facebook Marketplace. I'm not sure about eBay, but you know, you all, my family, my YouTube family, get first dibs. So if you tell me you're interested, hit me below and we can connect and make it happen. And I'll list the prices and everything, and it'll be worth a savings because they are used items, but they're gently used items that are still in tremendous shape. And the only reason why I'm selling these items is because I don't need it. So holla at your boy. Let me know what's going on. Dwizzle Works. Comment, like, subscribe below. Share this video with somebody you know, especially if they're interested in parts and just interested in some mods and everything. And as always, anything that you see done, have seen done to my bike and you may be interested in, hit me below. I will hit you back. It's your boy Dwizzle Works and I'm out. Peace. Comment, like, subscribe.